halor ka jingmi seng jong uba H.M Shangpliang na ka seng BJP ha kisngi baladeb ula deb ania mir jingmut bat kinong bud jong u kiba na Mausen Ram constituency ula shimi ka rai da ka jingi snguthu jingmut lang bat ka jingmen jur lang jong ki ba menta ka sngi haba kren shikilat pathai khubor ula ong bakam dei ka no ka daw halor ka jingmi seng na ka parti BJP ula penpau ba udas ngau tanat e shikadei ka parti henry ngau tanat e kinong elam jong ka parti kibadon hapo Meghalaya shushu ula benrap ro ba unsa Pyniasnoh Noh bat ka parti NPP ka babat ka sorkar ka bapet ka bakmi hapo ka jela ha ka jingelam unongelam barang ba ka parti menteri ka jela ukonrat ke sangma ha ka basyan uba H.M Shangpliang un sarung no kumuduk hot jong ka parti ha ka lai peu trik September ar hajar ar pulai ha ka bakani ka parti NPP ka balong ka bala banwanra ya ka roi ka par hapo ka jela ha kini ki sansnem ki baladem badru ki don shibun ki jing mentoy jong ki pajba na ka banta ki snem ki bansawan.
Yesterday I had a big meeting in my constituency, and all the top leaders of my area had come, and there were about 600 people who had attended. I always take my leaders and my voters along with me before I take any decision. And yesterday, it was a unanimous decision. Yesterday was a day where, in fact, more than 2,000 party workers holding responsible positions in the Mausen Ram BJP Mandal block have resigned along with me yesterday. And in fact, on the 2nd of September, prior to the resignation, I had met all my leaders in Mausen Ram, and I have taken their consent that we are moving out of the BJP, and I have stated all the reasons to them, and they have given their consent, and accordingly my people are with me.
So on 30
Kamdon jingduna ha ka party ngangan ong da ka basyay pa ngam I don jingduna ha ka party BJP ka jingduna ka don ha kinong yalam jong ka BJP hapo Meghalaya na day tangkata ngam kwa ban kren benia iki ngalabatay ha ka city ka banga air banga resign ma iki daw banga mi ka party ndre ngangan kren da ka basyay ngam lap ka jingduna ne ka jingbaklah ka party ndre ka jingduna ka don ha kinong yalam jong ka party hapo state
Coming to
nakatip ni September 5
yeah.
coming to the
In the news media around, I am planning to join the NPP, and the scheduled date for entering, for being inducted in the NPP is on the 13th of September at 2 p.m. in the state NPP headquarter office.
are you contesting?
Joining the NPP, I have seen the leadership of Mr. Conrad Sangma. In this 5 years of government, 5 years of chief ministership, Mr. Conrad Sangma has brought drastic change in the state of Meghalaya. There has been a lot of development. We could see development coming, and we could see more to come. And therefore, I thought that NPP is the only party of the state that perhaps could provide the people of the state the sense of security, the sense of development, and a future for the people of Meghalaya.
Were you promised with
MP
MCAT for the
No,
upcoming?
no. I am joining the NPP without any conditions. I'm making it very clear to you.
Are you looking forward to contest Lok Sabha?
Once I join the NPP, I will be a member of the party, and whatever the high command of the party finds me fit with a responsibility, I'm ready to shoulder that.
Will you apply for the ticket?
Kamdam jingpera se